said Sir Stafford. "I've read about it. Are we going to attend it?" "We have seats booked for 2 of the performances." "Has this festival any special significance in our investigation?" "No," said Renata. "It is more in the nature of what you might call an exit and entry convenience. We go there for an ostensible and true reason, and we leave it for our next step in due course." He looked round. "Instructions? Do I get any marching orders?"